Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve power button not working problem on your Honor X7b. So before you start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video on your Honor X7b.